Why isn't your piano certificate that important? So many people learn piano to get a certificate, and many parents want their kids to take the grades as soon as possible. Many because they think getting grade 8 in piano learning is one of the biggest goals to achieve. No right or wrong, sometimes it's still better to have a goal. But think about it. What can you do with your grade 8 piano certificate? So after you achieve grade 8, you don't play piano anymore? A survey conducted in Singapore showed that only 2 out of 10 piano students complete grade 8 piano, and only 1 join the piano industry. This is normally how people begin their lesson. Number 1, interest. Number 2, set a goal. From my 10 years experience, most students start learning the piano due to number 1, their interest. And then they move on to number 2, setting a goal, for example, taking the exam. There are some students who do it the other way around. They start with number 2, setting a goal, for example, I want my child to achieve grade 5 in 4 years. Then they go backward to number 1, sparking an interest. However, it's too late. They already quit learning piano. When I started teaching piano, I didn't notice this is one of the biggest mistakes. After 10 years experience in piano teaching, I realized that those students who are focused on taking the exam usually don't learn for a long term. Even they score distinction in certain grades, like grade 6 distinction, they eventually drop piano lesson. Even they attain grade 8, they usually don't play piano anymore, because it's kind of a relief for them to stop doing something they don't like. Many parents want their kids to achieve the grades, but they have forgotten that learning piano isn't for the certificate. Certificates are great, but the paper is also useless if your child doesn't enjoy playing piano. Let me tell you a story. One of my friends approached me for some advices as she wants to become a piano teacher. She has grade 8 distinction certificate, but when she told me that her whole life of learning the piano is only play exam pieces, sight reading, scale. This was because her teacher only focused on exam. I was like, She didn't explore any other pieces. Even after listening to her playing the piano, you can't feel the passion in her playing. Because her parents was that what I would call an exam-based parents. She followed that parents' advice. No right or wrong. It's just that this is my perspective in piano learning. If you're still a child, please listen to your parents. So imagine if children from the next generation are all learning music without passion, what will happen? If your child is taught by this type of piano teacher, they will become one of it. This is one of the biggest reasons why I keep doing videos like this, to share with everyone. Hope to change the culture of how students learn piano. I may not succeed, but if I manage to change a small percentage of students, my life would be more meaningful. I'm Mr. Mo. If you like the videos, do consider subscribing. See you. Bye bye.